YouTube, bro. So another vlog, and I actually got to check into my other hotel, but Andre is gonna let me stay here a few more days. Um, my friend here, mi amiga, brought me some Colombian food, and I am really looking forward to it because she sent me the video. It looks so good. Um, some kind of at first glance I thought it was sancocho, but it's actually something else. Um, when I give her a chance to let her warm it up and let her explain or kind of translate and try to explain to me exactly what it is. But I know it's like chicken, corn, some kind of broth. Looks like it's potatoes, some kind of concoction. That shit look good as fuck. And it smell good too. But be over here taking care of you, boy, while I'm over here working on content. So go ahead and eat that here shortly. Kind of take a break into me doing this content. So get to that in a minute. Que rico. ¿Se llama?
Sudado de pollo.
Sudado de pollo.
Sí.
Oh, okay. So we got some maters there with the rice. Serving it with rice, but it's that chicken, the corn, and the potato, bruh. Oh man, I can smell all the flavors, man. We gotta taste test this real quick.
Sí, sabe rico.
Mm. Mm. Mm, 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 mm. Oh, I don't want to make a mess. Mm. 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 Pero no me gusta. ¿Cómo se dice?
Tomate.
Ah, tomate.
¿No le gusta?
Mm.
¿Por qué?
Mm.
Todo está caliente. ¿Por qué? Porque no. Como el aguacate. ¿No gusta el aguacate? No.
Yeah, I'm really not a fan of tomatoes, y'all. I'm gonna throw a little bit of this. I'll throw a little bit of that on now. With the rice. Mmm. Oh. Perfecto. Boy, I destroyed that, bro. Whew. Sí.
No. Es bueno.
Ah, sí, es bueno.
Sí.
Sí.
¿Sí puedo tomar?
Sí,
¿Sí puedo tomar?
sí,
Ah.
es bueno.
Estás loco.
Oh man, dude, that's good, bro. Oh my god, bro. Andre got the best view with this shit, bro. Look at that, man. The way the sun hitting the mountains. I see why he got this place, man. This is crazy, bro. And you know where he's staying at, they got some money, bro. Look at that. All them houses with pools and shit, these big ass houses, bro. Come on, man. Sabaneta. That look like a plane right there. Definitely a plane. Mira la luz. Alright, y'all. So, got work done. So I'm about to run down here to El Poblado. Go ahead and check into this hotel. I tried to request it to get it changed, but they wouldn't change it. So I told them I'm going to go ahead and check in, but I'm gonna have to explain to them my situation because I'm still gonna be staying over here for real. Um, it's kind of unfortunate because basically losing money for real, but really not losing that much. But it'll be all right. But again, I want to give a shout out to Andre for letting me stay here though. And our Uber is on the way here. It'll be here in a couple of minutes. And then after I check in, get that situated, we are gonna go bowling. Probably eat again. Maybe grab a drink or two. I don't know. We'll see what happens. Oh, cuidado. ¿Está bien?
Sí. Ay, qué dulce.
I just love this scenery, bro. Yeah, man, you picked a good place to stay, Andre. I tell you, 1,100 a month, 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom, and all this scenery and amenities, along with that view. You cannot beat it, brother. You cannot beat it. So, just waiting on this cab. I'll go ahead and show you guys the room where I'm going to be staying at once I'm over there. Kind of give y'all a quick tour of that. Then we're going to head on out to the bowling alley. Just debating on whether we're going to end up going to Santa Fe or maybe coming back to the mall here. But we'll figure it out as we go. Sam got the lock, man, because you know you're probably going to need that. Got the towels. My son. Oh! Lo siento, lo siento.
No, it's bien.
Yeah, man,
Coffee.
this is see. So yeah, man, this is nice, bro. Yeah, man. So this is so this is about about $80 per night. And I know y'all probably thinking like, damn, Ron, that's kind of expensive. Well, it's in El Poblado for one. See all the amenities that it comes with, and it's breakfast, free breakfast is included every morning. So you got that. Then as you can see, came with the you know what I'm saying, with the bar and shit. So got all that included as well. So yeah, man, pretty dope, man. Plus it's air con in here, which you know most places in Medellin aren't gonna have those, due to the fact that much between 70 to 80, 85 degrees all year round. So, but I like having air con just in case, especially because even during the day it can get a little mild on you. So, too bad, man. I like this, bro. And from what I could tell already, I already spotted a few foreigners here. So, it's definitely seeing, and the people in reception speak English really well. So, shout out to that brother. Made things easy for me. So, yeah, man, this is nice. This is nice. Matter of fact, yeah, we got to do a bed check. Got to do a bed check. Oh! Mm. that bed feels so good. Like, you know how like you just like it's kind of soft and firm at the same time, but when you lay down, you kind of sink in. Perfect. All right. I think we're gonna go ahead and yeah, gonna go ahead and wrap this up. Pretty much showed y'all everything here. We're gonna go ahead and keep it moving, man. Go ahead and get us some frames in, or maybe me. I don't know if she gonna bowl or not, but we'll see what happens. All right, let's get it.
It's tranquility.
See. No, not as high up, but good job. Bolera Mayorca. Okay. Andre took me here yesterday, but we didn't get here in time because you got to get here before 9 o'clock. But we're here before 9 o'clock, so we're going to enjoy ourselves. Some lanes in. I haven't bowled since I was in Thailand and I hurt my middle finger, so see how I do tonight. Hey, that's better.
Es bueno. Es bueno.
Sí, es mejor. Oh. I would bowl so much better if I had my own ball, I swear. I'm just not good with alley balls, man, because I need a heavier ball, but I got small fingers and small hands. Oh, that's a good ball. You guys. Well, you can. I think we can go out this way and then we'll be right. Yeah, we'll be right there. You guys. So we finished up bowling. I bowled better that second game than I did my first game, but you can definitely tell. I'm trash. Cause I really ain't trash, man. It's just like, damn, I just can't bowl with house balls, bro. Because if that shit don't fit my fingers right, chances are it's like the size, the heaviness that I want, but the fingers don't fit. And then if the fingers do fit, then it's a lighter ball. Like I got small hands, I got small fingers, but I've been bowling with like a 14, 15 pound ball for years, you know. So that's what's always worked for me, and that's what I got back home. So if I was bowling with my house ball, I know I'd be bowling with, well, not a house ball, but my ball, I'd be bowling a lot better. But yeah, well, had a good time though. It was fun, man. Something to do, and it's a different vibe. If you notice, the bowling alley is like themed from like different countries and shit. So that's pretty dope. And I'm like, shit, they got cocktails and all different kind of food you can order. So it's definitely a vibe, and you know, even still, you still gonna see a lot of attractive women is there as well. So about to head back to the room. Got a live show to do. Then gonna cut it for the night. So gonna go ahead and end this here. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, and all that good jazz. And until next time, deuces.